name is Stephanie Martinez. I'm from San Antonio, Cayo, and we started as a family business. During COVID time, we planned to start a business. Maybe my mom came with the idea, what if we sell food? And she started to make tortillas. So that's what Upe Nai started. We like to interact with people, so we love when they come and ask for tortillas, ask for food. My mom loves to share foods with them. So we started the cooking class not too long because of a group that wanted to come and gave us the idea. So we started. The dish that we most do with the cooking class is the tamales. They love doing the tamales, roasting the leaf, seasoning their own chicken, everything. Seeing their faces happy, enjoying their meal, it makes us happy. That's why Upe Nai means a dream. That's our dream, to see them happy. We mostly cook because we love cooking. So we call it bienvenido. Everybody's welcome at our kitchen. And we prepare every ingredient with the masa, which is the white part of the tamales. And we do the col, which is the red part of the tamales inside. We season our chicken and we prepare everything. The first thing we prepare is the masa, because it takes time to cool off so we can knead and do the tortilla, so it's gonna be very good for wrapping. And we're gonna set it on the fire. It takes less than maybe 30 minutes. So I encourage everybody, if you're doing plan to come to Belize, we invite you here in San Antonio, Cayo. We have a lot of activities going around. Our neighbors, our colleagues, for example, the Oshmul, the family, the Masawal, the women's group, and us, we have a lot to offer here. So they can experience something unique. They can experience our tradition, culture, and they're gonna have fun. They're gonna have fun. So it's 100% sure, guaranteed, I would say. If they come, they won't regret it.